So there's a political earthquake in Bangladesh. Sheikh Hasina has been sentenced to death in absentia. The International Crimes Tribunal calling her the architect of the 2024 crackdown, a ruling that's triggered shockwaves from Dhaka to Delhi. And the first fiercest rebuttal comes from her son Sajeeb Wazed, slamming the Yunus government, calling the verdict fully illegal, a sham trial, a mockery of justice. He says defense lawyers weren't allowed, accusing Muhammad Yunus of running an undemocratic government. But the interim administration led by Professor Muhammad Yunus is standing firm. In a hard-hitting statement, Yunus says no one is above the law and said that the ruling delivers justice for the 1,400 lives lost, alleging that Bangladesh's democratic foundations had been destroyed. Dhaka is now doubling down on extradition. Interim law advisor Asif Nazrul says that Bangladesh will again seek Hasina's extradition, warning that if India shelters her, it would be an act of enmity and animosity. Now, New Delhi for now is trading cautiously. The Ministry of External Affairs saying only that India has noted the court verdict and remains committed to peace, democracy and stability in Bangladesh.
আরেকটা কথা বলতে চাই, সেটা হচ্ছে আমরা শেখ হাসিনার কে দেশে প্রত্যার্পণের জন্য, এক্সট্রাডিশনের জন্য ভারতের কাছে আবার চিঠি লিখব। ভারত যদি এই গণহত্যাকারীকে আশ্রয় দেওয়া অব্যাহত রাখে, তাহলে ভারতকে বুঝতে হবে এটা বাংলাদেশ এবং বাংলাদেশের মানুষের বিরুদ্ধে একটা শত্রুতা, একটা অত্যন্ত নিন্দনীয় আচরণ।
You would have heard about the verdict which has come in. What are your thoughts? The death sentence announced against your mother, the former Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina.
It is. Everyone knew this sentence was predetermined. These trials were rushed. I mean, it's a historic trial, and they finished it in what? 2 months, 3 months. This is an unelected, unconstitutional, undemocratic government. They amended the laws, which can't be done without Parliament, to enable this trial. She was not allowed to send her own defense attorneys. It's a complete mockery of justice.
Okay. But Sajeeb, my next question would be, when did you last speak to your mother? Did you speak to her after the sentence was announced?
No, actually, I'm sure she has been on the phone. I've called her. I've not had a chance to speak to her. She did not answer, so I have not spoken to her in a couple of days.
As far as the legal route is concerned, what is the family planning to do next? What is Awami League, your mother's party, going to do next?
Right now, there is no rule of law in Bangladesh. The constitution is basically being disregarded. So right now, there's nothing much to do. Once the rule of law returns, all of this will get thrown out on appeals because the entire process is so illegal and unconstitutional that it will not survive. So any legal process will have to wait until there is a rule of law in Bangladesh.